Imagine waking up one day to find that your job is no longer yours. It's been taken over by a machine that works faster, harder, and never complains. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But it's happening now. AI has already entered numerous professions. Manufacturing, robots assembling products with precision. Finance, algorithms predicting market trends faster than any human analyst. Healthcare, AI diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments. Creative fields, from generating music to writing articles, AI is taking on roles once thought exclusive to humans. You might think, not my job. But guess what? AI isn't just a tool. It's your competitor. If you're not adapting, you're on borrowed time. Reports show that by 2030, up to 30% of jobs could be automated. That's millions of workers displaced. Are you ready to join the ranks of the unemployed? But it's not all doom and gloom. There's hope if you act now. You must learn and evolve. Upskill in areas where AI can't compete. Emotional intelligence, because no robot can truly understand human feelings. Creative thinking, AI may generate content, but it can't spark real human emotion. Complex problem solving, machines can process data, but they can't navigate the complexities of human experience. You have a choice: adapt or become obsolete. The clock is ticking. Don't let the machines win. Join online courses, attend workshops, and invest in your future. Embrace technology. Don't fear it, because the future is here, and it's not waiting for you.